Hey guys, Scott here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this scissor mole trap and give you a couple pro tips on how I was able to eliminate 3 of them so far. Once you find a line like this where the moles are active, what you're going to want to do is see the direction that it's going in, and you're going to step here just in one spot. That will flatten down the tunnel and the moles will want to dig that back up. Now it's important that you put the scissors along this line. If you don't, it's just not going to work properly. So I'm going to put these in here and then press this in, and to press it in you can simply step on the sides right here, and then to set the trap is really easy. Press down here and your trap is set. Now make sure you don't put this in the line, the red. Notice, put it out here to the side. So I'm going to put this right out here, and then that way when the moles try to go through there, it's going to scissor and grab them.